I'm back from Home Goods and I decided to do a super informal, very casual haul to share with you guys what I picked up. There were so many things. I could not believe how many things I put in my cart. Here's the first purchase that I made. It is this 6-foot garland that is made up of these really cute white, like cable knitted ghosts. I just thought that these were so cute, very clean looking in my opinion. Here is what I paid. They are so simple and easy to just use for decoration, and I think that they just are a really easy way to add a pop of seasonal decor if you do not like going all out for the seasons. Next up is another strand of garland. This is again 6 foot, and this is made up of little ghosts and pumpkins. I love the color of the pumpkins. It's a very like burnt orange. It's not very bright at all. And if you guys haven't seen any of my recent seasonal home decor hauls, I am such a sucker for anything that's felt. I love the vintage looking vibes that felt garland, felt decor gives off. And here's the price that I paid. And then the last strand of garland is another 6 foot. This was $14.99, and this is made up of little felt pumpkins, like light gray, a dark brown, a creamy white color, and then like a dark burnt orange, and then a really nice like olive green color. So this I really liked as well. I love the softer color palette of this. Next, I picked up this really cute felt pumpkin. It's got the jack-o'-lantern detail on it. Super cute, again with the felt. I just love it. I think it just looks so, I don't know, old, vintage. This was $13. And I think that he is super cute. And then the last piece of felt decor, this I just thought was adorable. It's a little orange car made up with the jack-o'-lantern detail and then candy corns for the headlights and the backlights here. And then there are just 3 little felt ghosts in there. I thought that this was adorable and going to be really fun to put on display. I really prefer the cute fall Halloween decor as opposed to like the scary, gruesome stuff. And so this is totally up my alley. I cannot wait for my daughter to see this. I think she's just going to love this. And this was $14.99. The last pieces of fall decor, I have these 2 ceramic pumpkins. I thought that these were really cute, super clean looking, a little bit different, but I really liked that iridescent look that these 2 have together. And then here are the bottoms. You can see the larger one was $7.99. The smaller one was $5.99. And then my last buy, this is not fall or anything, but I just thought that this was so cute. I could not pass this up. I got this little serving bowl. I just loved the little bumblebee detailing that runs throughout the side of the bowl. This was $9.99. It is microwave and dishwasher safe, and I just thought that this is adorable. All right, so that about does it for this little mini haul and shop with me. Let me know if you guys would like to see more shop with me videos. I could definitely pull out my camera, my phone more often and just share with you guys what I'm finding and what I end up coming home with. I'm definitely going to be going back to TJ Maxx and Home Goods because I can just tell that this fall, this Halloween, autumn season, they are stocked and ready to go with the adorable decor that they have out. So I am going to have to be more mentally prepared to find some cute things. I had to put a lot back and some of it I'm regretting, so I might have to go back. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and join my YouTube family. If you could give this video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.